Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make beef puff pastry, or what we call in India Keema Pattice. Okay, so for this we're going to make this ready-made puff pastry sheets which I get from the Indian store, and of course I'm going to make one time. I'm going to show you all how to make this puff pastry on our videos. It's a very tedious job, but I like to get this from the Indian restaurants, Indian stores, because it's so easy to make. So in here they're called pockets or puff pockets, or they're filled with Italian seasonings and all that stuff. This is something you can have. So these are about 5, 6 of them. They're all what do you call, separated with different. So this has just been thawed out, and I'll show you how to wrap it up. This is egg wash, which is just an egg with little milk, and this is our filling which we made for the samosa filling. I'm just going to use that because we like the taste of this filling. You all can make it something else. You all can also put it with vegetables and all, but right now we're going to make, this is our puff pastry with keema, or what is called beef patties. Okay, this is Topper Chef back again. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fill this up with the patties which we're going to make. So now my oven is already on at 400 degrees, and this is how simple it is if you have this patties already here. I used to love this when I was a kid, to go to the Mangini's and get this. So you can see here, this is one filling here. So first of all, apply water at the end. We are going to make it in a triangle. So you can either make it in a triangle or you can fold it in a rectangle. So this one here will take about 2 of these right here. So, and then you can just hold this here and put this, seal it properly so you don't press it at the ends, so it doesn't open up while we are doing this. So what I do is I usually seal this properly with the help of a fork. Press this here. And that's how it's supposed to look. So we've got about 4 of them. I'm going to finish using all 4 of us, and then 4 of this, and then I'm going to add egg wash, and then I'm going to put it in the oven. So this is how pretty it's going to look. Okay, so now we made 4. Now, you know the beauty about this is an actual puff pastry. So it is going to puff up and get really soft and hot. Now there are empanadas, there are calzones, all this stuff. It comes through the same thing. So now what we're going to do is, this is egg wash, really nicely egg wash it, because that gives it a nice color to it, a nice golden hue to this thing. So take your time and do it. For if you want it really well, you got to paint it nicely so it goes and sits inside, otherwise it dries out on high heat. So that's what the great thing about egg is. So do it for all 4, and then our oven is nice and hot. We're just gonna put it in the oven for about 15-20 minutes at 400 degrees, and it will come out really well. There we go, paint it well. The more you put the egg, the better it is, because it will get nice and golden. Okay, so this is our vegetable patties are ready, and we are going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is, you got to be careful. It's about 230 degrees Celsius and on high heat, and it is on bake setting, not a broil setting. Now I'll show you how I will show you exactly how my oven is. The main thing about baking is it's a science, it's not cooking. It's a science, so everything has to work out really well. Now the sheets at the bottom, these are amazing find. You get it at Costco where this is silicone sheets where you're not putting anything, you're not greasing anything anymore. So this is something you need to have when you're baking. Okay guys, so now we are ready to pop this in the oven. It's at 400 degrees and you can see this fantastic mat at the bottom, so you don't have to grease anything. This is a silicone mat and this has made baking so convenient. So all these trays and everything used to get messed up. We had to put foils and then grease these trays and all that. All that has been eliminated with this mats. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven now and put it at the bottom, okay? It's on bake setting. So now I'm going to explain to you what exactly is bake setting in an oven. This is going to be here for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay guys, so now 20 minutes are up and the timer has gone off. So what I'm going to do is, look at this, how it is puffed up really good. There you go. So this is what I talk about, the importance of the egg wash. Look at this one right here. Look at this one right here, which is nice and golden. And this one is not, because the egg wash did not take it, but they're puffed up good and they're ready to be eaten. But you gotta let this sit. Always a puff pastry, you gotta let it sit at least for 10 minutes before you end it, before you eat it. Now, if you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!